the sky with hues of red and gold. Fields of amber waves remind us of stories told. From rolling hills to rivers, every inch is blessed. In this land of freedom, we are truly blessed. Stars and stripes eternal, under which we stand, holding tight our Bibles and our rifles in our hands. Faith in God unshaken through both dark and day, trusting in His wisdom, guiding all our way. Blessed nation under the stars, with faith and freedom in our hearts. In God's country we'll always stand, defending love with a righteous hand. Family close beside us, and neighbors who still care. Simple joys and laughter, a life beyond compare. Working through the hard times, praying for the rain. With every single heartbeat, we give thanks again. Voices lifted to the sky in twilight's gentle glow, praising Him who made this land where rivers freely flow. In this great America, together strong we'll be, holding dear our freedoms, living wild and free. Blessed nation under the stars, with faith and freedom in our hearts. In God's country we'll always stand, defending love with a righteous hand. Blessed nation under the stars, with faith and freedom in our hearts. In God's country we'll always stand,